why Jesus said, I have to work the work of my Father while he's still. Because night cometh and no man what? Works. Hallelujah. So we understand that whenever there is light, we are given a platform to what? To do the work of God. What is that light? Light is knowledge. Okay, we will deal with that some other time because this time is speaking. Verse number 5, let us conclude. And the light, that knowledge shines in ignorance. Can you handle the technical juggle? That light shines in the darkness. The word darkness means ignorance. So no matter how ignorant you are, once the light is introduced to you, you are bound to change. You are bound to change. So now the light shines in the darkness, and the darkness can never handle it. The word extinguish there in Greek means katalambano, means can never be seized.